Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So if you are planning to sell your any old phone in Cashify, then this video will help you a lot. So how to sell your phone in Cashify. So here I will tell you few important points. So if you will follow this, then you will get more money what is actually showing in the Cashify app. So what you need to do, I will show you in my mobile screen. Okay, so first thing, whenever you are going to sell your any phone, don't keep the exactly correct information. For example, here I will show you one example. I am selling my old iPhone 13 in which I have replaced the copy screen. So I will select Apple and iPhone. Here you can see iPhone 13. Okay, so iPhone 13 is there, 128 GB. So here it's showing 23,000, but after giving the exact things what is working and what is not working, they will show the amount. So if I will give exactly what is there in my phone, what problem is there and what is working, you will see how much amount it will show. Are you able to make and receive call? Yes. Touch screen working properly. So as I have replaced with copy 2000 rupees copy screen in the local shop. So sometime in some place the touch was not working. So no. Is your phone screen original? No. I will click on continue. So nothing broken is there. So by seeing the screen, no one can say like it's broken or anything. It's look completely new. So I will not select any option here, and front camera not working, back camera. So all these things are working. Speaker working, Wi-Fi working, silent button. So all these things are working here. Here is the important thing. My battery is below 80%. So if I will select this, continue. I don't have a phone box with me. I will click on continue. So here you can see the price they are showing is 7760. Okay, but at what price I have sold my this phone, I will show you. Your profile, your orders, it's 13400. So what I did, so while putting the information, I selected as touch is working properly and the battery health is above 85%. I selected this, and it was showing me something around 11,800 and something like that. So what price I was expecting is 11,800. So I was my mindset was okay, if they will give me 12,000, 11,800, I will sell this phone to them. But I came to know from someone that the bargaining happens there. Okay, so they will always try to get a phone from you in the minimum price. So what I did, so he told me like the price approx 12,000. So he said you have mentioned health, battery health is good, but it's below 85, but you have mentioned above 85, all these things. Then I told if you are giving me 10,000 or 11,000, then what is the use of selling this phone? I will give it to my family. They will use it in a home. Okay, then I am not going to sell this phone. Then I told them, what is the final price that you are going to give me? So basically what I am going to tell you, whatever price it is showing in the app, you can get more money than what actually it is showing. And there is a bargaining which happen. You will tell, no, I don't want to sell this phone below 15,000. He will make a call somewhere, this that, and he will increase some money. So basically this type of things happen in Cashify. So you have to sell your phone very smartly. You can get the maximum money, but here is a thing you have to deal. It's not like whatever in the app it is showing, they will give that amount. You have, if 10 things is not working in the app, you show 5 things is not working, and when they will cut the money for those 5, the amount will be more than what actually you have kept in the app while booking it. Okay, when they will reduce, for example, if you will keep all those 5 things is not working, it will show 6,000, 7,000. But when they are going to reduce, even your amount will be what it is shown in the app. So take care of these things and you will get the maximum money when you are doing a booking in Cashify. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you. Thanks for watching.